Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Gas pressure problems can be tricky, but we will solve this one fast. Let's find out how adding helium changes the total and partial pressures.
First, we look at the total pressure in our rigid container. Adding more moles of any gas like helium increases the total number of particles hitting the walls, so pressure rises.
Next, we check the partial pressure of oxygen. Since the volume and temperature are constant, the number of oxygen molecules stays the same, meaning their individual pressure does not change at all. Finally, total pressure increases while oxygen pressure stays constant. This leads directly to the correct answer, option D. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given values to find the right answer.